Your alarm goes off at 7. You're not a priest. You're not a nun. You're an accountant. Or maybe you run the Vatican's radio station, or fix their plumbing, or manage their supermarkets. Yes, they have one. And yes, the prices are suspiciously good. By 8 a.m., you're through the checkpoints. Grab coffee in the canteen and check your schedule. Outside these walls, Rome is already chaotic. Horns, tourists, espresso chaos. And here, it's weirdly calm. You walk past the 500-year-old fresco on your way to your desk. You stop noticing it about 3 weeks into the job. Your coworkers are a mix. Some are priests who've worked here for over 40 years and know every secret hallway. Some are young IT guys and applied on a whim and still can't believe they got the job. And then there are the Swiss guards. And before you say anything, no, you do not make jokes about the uniform. Not twice anyway. You walk along about 4,000 people total. Only 800 actually live inside the walls. You're one of the ones who commutes in through a real border crossing into a real separate country every single day. It never fully stops being surreal. Here's the part of the job description nobody mentions. You signed a confidentiality agreement on day one, and you take it seriously because everyone here does. What you see stays here. The heated conversation between two cardinals you accidentally walked in on, forgotten. The financial document that crossed your desk with a name you recognized, never happened. The Vatican Bank alone has been at the center of enough controversy to fill a Netflix series. And the people who work there operate under layers of secrecy that make regular banking look transparent. Then there's the archives. 85 kilometers of shelving, documents going back centuries. You don't work there. Almost nobody does. But you've walked past the entrance. The employees inside have access to things historians would give anything to read. You just nod good morning to them like normal people. Let's be honest. The salary isn't going to make you rich. Most people here take home somewhere between 1,500 and 3,000 euros a month. In any other city, that's be tight. But you're not in any other city. Your rent? Almost nothing. Heavily subsidized inside Vatican City, in the middle of Rome. Your groceries? Same deal. Healthcare? Covered. Job security? People retire here after 30, 40 years. Nobody really leaves. And then there's the thing you can't put a number on. You work in one of the most historically significant places on earth. You pass the Pope in the hallway sometimes. It's lunch in the garden that's been here since 1500s. Your friends back home still don't fully believe this is your actual job. You badge out. The gate closes behind you. Rome swallows you back up. The noise, the scooters, the tourists taking photos of the walls you just walked out of. Tomorrow, you'll do it again. And honestly, you wouldn't trade it.